Hi, thank you once again for joining me in this video tutorial, Understanding the Stock Market. So, our topic today is buying and selling. So, ano ba yung transaction na nangyayari sa loob ng market? So, the buyer, we have two entities sa stock market. We have the buyers and we have the sellers. So, yun yung dalawang group natin. So, yung platform niya nakita nyo ngayon uh, this is the PSE Tradex stock market platform for online accounts. So, hindi ko i-detailed ang mga parts nito. We will have another session for that one. So, we'll focus on the buying and the buyers and the sellers transaction during trading session. So, our example will be Universal Robina or URC. So, we have two parts here. Uh, this one, the bid and the ask. So that one is the buying side or the bidders, and this side is the sellers side. And on this part is, so let's go back to the buyers. So at 190.1, we have one buyer with a volume of 1010 at 1100. And same here for 190, we have one buyer with yung volume niya, buying volume is 20. For 187, we have 2. And for 185.5, we have 1. Ang nakikita nyo lang dito, basically for normal account, 5 lang yung nakikita mo. So, but pag professional yung account mo or yung may bayad na, hindi yung free, you will see a lot here. So, more than 5 pa yan possible if there are a lot of bidders. So, on the seller side, ganun din. We have they have the price. We have the price kung magkano yung asking price nila. On 191.5, we have 1. Volume is 1.92K. The same with 191.6. We have two sellers here. Ang volume ng total volume of that two is 140. Okay. So this is the para makommit yung yung binid ng person or inask ng seller, dapat both price is magkapareho. So on our example kanina, we notice the price, ang buyers natin 190.1 yung bid price niya. Pero ang asking price ng seller is 191.5. Ngayon, para makommit yung transaction, dapat the bidder and the seller or the buyer or and the seller must meet at a certain price. Dito, on my example, ang bidder, tinaasan niya yung bid price niya. Ginawa niyang 191.5. So ngayon, match na yung dalawa. And match na sila, the same na. Ngayon, mako-commit na yung nila. Mako-commit yung transaction dito. Pero take note, the sellers, mas malaki yung volume na binenta niya. So 1.92K minus 1.1K, ang matira, yun yung may iwan dito. Like here, 820 yung natira. So as is pa rin yung 191 doon sa asking price. And yung 191.5 on the buying side, mawawala na yon. Itong 190, ito naman yung aakyat dito, yung volume pa rin 20. Unless si buyer number 2 and buyer number 3 will raise their uh, buying price to 191 saka pa ma-commit itong 191 or si seller mag-lower siya based dito sa asking dito. Kahit na mag-lower siya, mayroon pa rin siyang natitira na 20,800 if ma-commit itong 190. So, in short, buyers and sellers or bid and ask agreed on a specific price and the transaction is completed and posted on the in PSE board. So, ganun yung pangyayari sa buyers and sellers. So, I hope you understand the transaction that is going on the buyer side and the seller side and paano nagko-commit yung 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 presyo between the buying and the sellers. So our next topic will be why my stock is negative after buying, even the stock price close at a higher price. So to keep posted, just subscribe and follow me on YouTube. And thank you for watching.